These tiny boat videos are going viral all over social media right now, and this YouTube channel has gained over 23,300 subscribers just by posting this exact style of content. Their videos have already crossed 90 lakh views, 77 lakh views, and they're still getting more every single day. The craziest part? You don't need editing skills, expensive software, or even a paid AI tool. Watch what I created with AI in under 5 minutes.
Look at the scale detail on that.
And I'm going to show you the entire process completely free. So make sure you've subscribed because we're starting right now. First, open ChatGPT and go to the GPT section. Search for miniature boat making and open the very first result. Click Start, and it will instantly give you several topic ideas to choose from, or you can type your own if you have a unique concept. I'm selecting the 6th option, LNG tanker. Press Enter, and within seconds it generates multiple high-quality image prompts, along with matching cinematic video prompts ready to use. Copy the image prompt and open Google Nano Banana, switch to the image generation option, make sure your preferred settings are enabled, paste the prompt, and hit Enter. In just a few seconds, you'll get stunning AI-generated images. Pick the one that looks the most realistic and cinematic. Next, open Google Flow. Select OmniFlash as your video model, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and set the video length to 10 seconds. Now copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow, and click Generate. Within moments, your first cinematic scene is ready. Repeat the same process for as many scenes as you need, combine them together, and your tiny boat video is ready to grab millions of views.